What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block. I've got the best wheel cleaner you can buy for $1. Y'all ready to see what it is? It looks clear, doesn't it? Check that out. Now, this wheel's got some brake dust built up on it down here. All kind of nasty stuff. Got some more over here on this side. There you go. That is the Dollar Tree totally awesome window cleaner. This is the vinegar formula, and it does a great job on cleaning up wheels on your car. So you don't have to buy any expensive wheel cleaner. If you're on a budget, you can clean up your wheels for $1. My name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels on a Block. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.